people consume content that they love. They follow people that they know, like, and trust. And they share content from creators that they know, like, and trust as well.
Can you give us some tips for creating standout stories content, some best practices that you found to be true?
There's a couple of different styles of stories where it is, more personal, you front facing, and then there's what I call a little bit more of a professional design, a little bit more put into it, I guess. Whether it's designed or it's just you sharing great content, your personal life, what you're having for dinner, whatever that is. For me, I do a lot of the leveraging content that we're creating on other places so that we can use it in the stories. So it's more of a professional, like, hey, if I got a new blog post, I'll do, and it's 3 ways to do Y, then I will share maybe one of those ways in the stories, and then I'll try to drive traffic to the new blog post, right? Mm-hmm. Or my live show, Marketing That Grows Your Business, every Monday. I will, pull a snippet or something, or do the invitation to make sure that people know that the show's coming up, highlight the guests, that kind of thing. For me, I leverage the power of the stories in a slightly different way, mostly from a traffic driving perspective than a know, like, and trust kind of thing. One of the best ways to do that is to find a really great tool that allows you to create content quickly, because nobody has time for all the stuff that we have to do, right? So one of the things that I love doing is leveraging tools like Canva, or easel.com is another great resource. Phone apps, there's some amazing phone apps too. The point of it is create the content in one place and then leverage that, because all the social platforms now have stories. You can create the content once, you can share it on Pinterest. Yes, Pinterest. Pinterest has stories, who knew? LinkedIn has stories, Twitter has stories. Create the content and then put it out on all the platforms, again, depending on what your end goal is.